Imagine typing on a keyboard that each click feels like a symphony of precision. Dive into the history of the mechanical keyboard, initially used by enthusiasts in the 1980s, revered for its tactile feedback and durability. Key innovators like Cherry Corporation set the benchmark with their iconic MX switches, which have become the lifeline for gamers and typists globally. This tech marvel not only paved the way for modern gaming keyboards, but also inspired ergonomic designs we see today, emphasizing the importance of user comfort. Now, as mechanical keyboards experience a resurgence in popularity, they remind us of the unrivaled joy of typing. Are you a mechanical keyboard enthusiast? Drop a comment below on your favorite model, or join us in the next episode for more tech nostalgia.